Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know, it's JJ back at it like an addict, because I'm addicted to giving you guys all that advice and information you're gonna need to get that car lot of your dreams open. This video is just going to be an auction walk around video, just showing you the typical cars that are at an auction and showing you how typically how many cars this auction runs every week. This auction video is going to be a Reno auto auction video. It's for every Friday and it starts at 10 in the morning. And it's a dealer auction and it's a public auction, so it's open to the public. I mean, if you're a dealer, there's no fee to go in, but if you're a public, it's $300. They hold the $300, but if you buy a car, that $300 goes to whatever car you buy. I mean, they have a good amount of deals each week. You know, some weeks are slower than most, but they usually have a lot of good deals as well. And we're just gonna show you a walk around and usually like how many cars they have, and you know, and just show you what's going on at the auction. Just, you know, like basically just the cars they got and how the sales go, because they run 3 lanes. 2 lanes is usually dedicated to dealers and 1 lane is like to the public. But sometimes, you know, they have cars that run through where they're only dealers only. So, you know, but sometimes dealers run cars where the public can bid, and sometimes dealers run cars where it's just dealers only. But we're gonna just show you a little walk around at the auction and all the cars that they got going on today. So let's get to it. Motherfucker, sad ass 300. Probably gonna need a motor in a second. Did they let us? It don't sound too bad. A little white smoke coming out the back. Probably need an oil change on that motherfucker. Probably did. Why not dope it up to run it through the auction? Okay, got a little Cavalier. What is this back here? Got some Jim Norton, Bob Moore Buick and GMC. Got that older Tahoe. Got that old little truck. Oh shit, give me another BMW. I don't want that. Let's see whose stuff is on here on the back line, because they got a lot of newer stuff on this back line. Woo, it's cold today. Got my eyes watering. Wally Auto Group. Okay, Seth Wally got a lot of stuff coming today. Damn, it's packed. They got all the cars this week. Oh yeah. Woo! Weather out here killing me today. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, got all the cars. Gotta get some deals out here today. Whew. Better be some good deals. Better be some good deals. See, y'all see all these cars out here? This is a dealer auction and it's open to the public. Just pay your $300 entry fee and you in the game. Okay, look at that sun wanna come out for us. Come on, keep coming out. It's cold. Got those running. They running first, Steph Wally. Getting all the cars in line for us. Well, they got a lot of cars, as you can see, and as you know, it's open to the public. But yeah, this is just a little walk around of the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep giving you guys information, advice, and keep showing you everything about the car business. I'm out. Thank y'all. See y'all in the next video.